What's up guys, it's me Geek. So here is the loudspeaker test of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S30. Yes, it comes with like a quad speaker. I've turned on the Dolby Atmos. First I want to show you the loudspeaker test without the Dolby Atmos, to make a fair test. Okay, let's go to the sound and vibration. Okay, sound and effect quality. Let me turn it off and then play the sound right now. Okay, let me go to Samsung Music. Okay, open this one. Okay, here we go. Okay, come on. Okay, let me play a song on full volume. Again I'm trying to turn it off. Okay, now here we go. Let me play. It's 91, as you can see. It's getting. Let me turn it on now. Now it's louder. Now it's going to 95. It's okay, but I don't know. Even it's showing me 94 decibel is very good, but it's not that loud as I was hoping for a quad speaker at the end of the day. It's okay, acceptable. Yeah, this is the. Let me play another song. Let me press here. It's getting 97 also. You see some place. So yeah, it was me, Geek. Subscribe. ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي